Carpet tiles, it's literally the easiest flooring you will ever install. We are just throwing down the carpet tiles like playing cards. The magic secret to this quick installation method is the carpet tiles at the seams. This is by Offloading our carpet tape. It's popular on Amazon. It's the only one that I use. If you want a fast, easy floor transformation, use carpet tape. How did we get here to slap down these carpet tiles so quick? Let's look back. Okay, so this is going to be the easiest carpet tile install you've ever seen with this handy dandy carpet tape by Offloading Now. We are going to pre-install the tape at the seams. That means on center. We're going to design it so the 4-inch wide carpet tape is right in the middle of the carpet seams. Install that first to save a lot of efficiency and time, and then just throw all the carpet tiles in. This is 2-foot wide carpet tape. It is 2 foot, 24 inches by 24 inches. It's the best size, the most common size in my opinion. They are common 1 foot by 1 foot, but these are more efficient. Go for the 2 by 2 foot. And then we pre-measured and marked the spots on the walls with masking tape where we're going to put the carpet and rug tape right on down the floor to save a lot of time. Carpet tile manufacturers give you either no way to secure the carpet tiles down or these flimsy little tabs. Look at this. These aren't going to do much. You need super strong carpet tape. This is the best quality tape I've seen. Check this out. This is the nice wide 4-inch roll. This will give us lots of flexibility if you're off just a smidge on your measurements. Now after you place it down, you're simply going to remove the backer when you're ready to go, although I'm going to wait until we get all the rows down. This quality carpet tape works on all subfloor types and works on all backer types of your carpet tiles. For cutting, I did switch over to a utility knife. I like that a lot better than scissors. The tape is so sticky, it sticks to the scissors. So a handy dandy utility knife, score it right through, and it cuts right away. That's the way to go. And then simply press it down with your hand or literally just walk on it. Let me show you how versatile the strong carpet tape is. It works for all carpet types and rugs. Now, even though it's crazy strong, if you do need to remove it without fear of damaging your subfloor, you're literally going to just take your finger and start rolling up the edges. They've designed this really, really well. Now, once you get enough material rolled up and you can grab on that, go ahead and firmly peel. And I've used it in my own house. It's never damaged the subfloor or the underneath surface. So this one was about 2 foot on center with the wide 4-foot tape. You have a lot of forgivability here if you're off by a little bit. We want the carpet tiles to meet right in the middle. So let's pull all the backer tape and start laying carpet tiles. We're just installing the carpet tiles one tile at a time. It is so easy. You can have an assembly line of people feeding you the carpet tiles. I'm telling you, this is so easy. I think a toddler could do this. The easiest flooring you will ever install. This carpet tape is so strong, it will hold down your carpet tiles stronger than you imagine. It will stand up for years and it will resist curling. Vacuuming will be absolutely fine. Carpet tape, that's what you need. The manufacturers don't provide it, or they give you these flimsy little film tabs that do nothing. You need a quality carpet tape that you can trust.